Welcome to our exploration of a common yet hidden reason why small side hustles often face failure, despite providing great products or services. You might think that if your creation is high quality, it should automatically attract customers. But the truth is that very few side hustles actually fail because of the product itself. Most side hustles stumble because they're built without a solid system for visibility, distribution, and consistent demand. Imagine someone who has perfected a homemade sauce recipe. They've spent months tweaking flavors and sourcing the best ingredients. They believe that their sauce is ready to wow the world. However, they spend their energy promoting the sauce mainly by sharing it on social media occasionally, hoping that friends will share it with their networks. This is a classic example of a product-focused hustle that often leads to silence, not sales. In contrast, let's explore how a demand-focused approach works. Instead of just creating a fantastic product, think about how customers will discover it. How can you make your product visible to those who would love it? The visibility of your product is crucial. It can make the difference between a thriving side hustle and an abandoned idea. When most people start side hustles, they concentrate on perfecting every detail of their product, be it homemade food, digital downloads, freelance services, or crafted items. They meticulously refine their recipes, designs, and features, believing that quality alone will drive sales. However, what they overlook is how customers actually find out about these products, comprehend their value, and develop a willingness to buy. A well-made product is essentially invisible without effective exposure, proper positioning, and an ongoing engagement strategy. You could have the best gluten-free cookies on the market, but if no one knows they exist, those cookies will stay on your kitchen counter rather than being sold. Let's break this down with another example, perhaps a freelance graphic designer. They may be talented at creating stunning logos and branding materials, but without a focused marketing strategy, their work might go unnoticed. Simply posting their portfolio on their website once every few months and waiting for potential clients to come knocking isn't enough. This approach relies heavily on hope, the hope that clients will find them or that word of mouth will bring in requests for work. Unfortunately, many side hustles operate under this assumption, leading to disappointment when clients don't materialize. On the contrary, successful side hustles have clear systems in place for connecting their work with potential customers. Consider this flow: product creation, visibility, understanding, trust, purchase. Each step is essential. Visibility involves getting the word out through regular posts, engaging with potential customers, and utilizing platforms that allow for promotion. When people understand what makes your offering unique and useful, they develop trust in your brand, which leads to purchasing. It's a smooth pathway that many overlook by focusing too narrowly on the product itself. Another misconception we often encounter is the belief that a failure indicates that the product idea was flawed. In reality, many side hustles stall just as they are about to gain traction. They lack the essential components of a feedback loop, audience building, and a clear next step for interested buyers. The solution often lies not in changing the product, but in enhancing how the product is presented, marketed, and delivered. It's crucial to implement simple systems that ensure your product reaches the right audience consistently. For instance, if you're selling handmade jewelry, you could use social media not just to showcase your pieces, but also to share behind-the-scenes stories, connect with followers, and encourage repeat visits to your online store. Establishing an email newsletter that offers style tips, updates, and exclusive discounts can also create a stronger bond with potential customers, enhancing their engagement with your brand. A focus on distribution includes understanding your audience. Who are the people that would benefit from your product? Where do they hang out online? What kind of messaging resonates with them? By knowing your ideal customer, you can tailor your visibility efforts to meet them where they are, building a more relevant presence. Positioning is another crucial element. How do you communicate value? Are you clearly explaining what sets your product apart? Clear communication helps potential customers see your product as a solution to their problems, enhancing their desire to purchase. Consistency in marketing efforts ensures that your brand stays top of mind when customers are ready to make a decision. Moreover, the importance of follow-up cannot be understated. After a potential customer shows interest, Whether it's signing up for your newsletter or adding an item to their cart, having a strategy to follow up can nurture that relationship and convert interest into sales. As we wrap up this discussion, remember that a good product is only one part of the success equation. Side hustles thrive when quality meets intentional systems that consistently connect the product with the right audience. Emphasizing visibility, distribution, positioning, and follow-up can create a sustainable demand that encourages continued growth. So, as you move forward with your own side hustle, think deeply about the systems you're implementing, and remember that visibility can often be the missing link between a great product and its success.